Hey food lovers, welcome to Vegan Globetrotter, your go-to spot for delicious, easy and exciting vegan recipes. Whether you're a lifelong vegan or just exploring meat-free meals, don't worry, we've got something tasty for you. From global flavors to simple, healthy dishes. So let's cook, learn and enjoy together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for fresh recipes. Let's make plant-based eating fun and flavorful. Today we're making asparagus and tofu stir-fry. So let's start with the ingredients. First is asparagus, tofu, red onions, garlic, ginger, lemon, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, salt, black pepper. And now let's dive into the steps and create this delicious meal. First, roughly chop the asparagus and onions. Next is mince the ginger and garlic. Cut the lemon in half. And then cut the tofu into preferred shapes, cubes or strips. And then fry the tofu in a pan with the sesame oil and under medium-high heat. When the tofu gets a bit brown, add the ginger. When it starts to get fragrant, add in the onions. When the onion layers start to separate, add in the asparagus. And when the asparagus starts to soften, add in the garlic and cook until fragrant. Add in some salt and black pepper. Add in the soy sauce after a few minutes of tossing and mixing. After a few minutes, add in the juice of half a lemon. Turn off the heat and add in the sugar. Let the residual heat cook the sugar. And last is, place the whole thing into a bowl and add in the juice of the other half of the lemon. Enjoy! Trivia time. Did you know that asparagus is a natural diuretic? Thanks to an amino acid called asparagine, it helps flush excess salt and fluid from your body, which can support kidney health and reduce bloating. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A, C, E and K and folate, making it great for your immune system and heart. Asparagus is also rich in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and may slow the effects of aging. Eat healthy and stay happy.